everyone and welcome to Smart Business Talk, where entrepreneurs gain the financial and legal insights to grow with confidence. Today's episode, Mistakes Entrepreneurs Make When Starting a Business. Your host, Irene from Irene Consulting Firm, is joined by a business attorney, Jack, to help you avoid the common legal traps that can cost you big. Let's dive in.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Smart Business Talk. I'm Irene, the founder of Irene Consulting Firm, where we provide bookkeeping, payroll, and financial guidance to help small businesses thrive. Starting a business is exciting, but too often, I see entrepreneurs skip important legal steps that later cause serious problems. That's why I've invited a special guest today, a business attorney, Jack, who works directly with entrepreneurs to help them avoid those costly mistakes. Welcome, and thank you for joining me.
Thank you, Irene. I'm excited to be here and to share legal advice that can truly protect new business owners from making avoidable mistakes.
Let's get into it. From your experience, what are the most common legal mistakes entrepreneurs make when starting out?
The biggest ones I see are failing to form the proper legal entity, like an LLC or corporation, not using contracts when working with clients or partners, ignoring business licenses and zoning laws, and forgetting to protect intellectual property, like your business name or logo. All of these can create major risks down the line.
Wow. I've had clients run into those issues, especially not using contracts. How early do you recommend an entrepreneur speak with a business attorney?
Ideally, before they spend $1. Even a 30-minute consultation early on can help you choose the right structure and avoid problems. It's much easier to do things right from the start than to fix them later.
Let's talk about business structure. Some entrepreneurs go with a sole proprietorship to keep it simple. Why can that be risky?
A sole proprietorship offers no legal separation between the business and the owner. That means your personal assets, your car, your home, are at risk if something goes wrong. With an LLC or corporation, you get liability protection and credibility, plus tax flexibility.
Running a small or medium business is no easy task, and managing your finances shouldn't hold you back. At Irene Consulting Firm, we help small and medium businesses save time and grow profits. With expert bookkeeping, payroll, and financial analysis services, we simplify your finances so you can focus on success. Operating across all 50 states, we're your trusted partner for smarter financial management. Ready to grow your business? Contact us today at 404-399-6099 or visit www.ireneconsultingfirm.com.
What about partnerships? I've seen people go into business with friends or family and not define anything legally.
That's another common issue. If you're going into business with someone, get a partnership agreement in writing. It should cover ownership percentages, roles, profit sharing, and what happens if someone leaves. Even if it's your best friend, put it on paper.
Can you share a real-life example of a client who skipped legal steps and ran into trouble?
Absolutely. One client didn't use a contract for their first big project. The client refused to pay the full amount, and since there was no written agreement, they had no legal grounds to enforce payment. It cost them thousands. Having clear, signed contracts is a must, even for your very first customer.
Let's wrap up with a checklist. What are the top 3 legal steps every entrepreneur should take when starting a business?
1. Choose the right legal entity, LLC or corporation. 2. Draft contracts for clients, vendors, and partners. 3. Register your intellectual property, like your business name and logo. Bonus tip: always keep your business finances separate from your personal accounts.
This has been so helpful. Jack, thank you for sharing these important insights. Where can our audience find you if they need legal help or want to schedule a consultation?
They can visit my website to get my contact info there. Or you also can give them my email address. If someone contacts you about my service, I'd be happy to help. Thanks.
Wow. That wraps up another episode of Smart Business Talk. Special thanks to Irene from Irene Consulting Firm and our guest business attorney, Jack, for sharing these legal essentials. If you enjoyed this episode, hit like, subscribe, and share with fellow entrepreneurs. Need help keeping your business financially healthy? Visit ireneconsultingfirm.com today. Until next time, stay smart, Stay protected and keep growing.
Looking for motivational apparel and essentials to kickstart 2025? Visit my Etsy shop, Irene Biz Essentials. Simply go to www.etsy.com/shop/Irene Biz Essentials and grab your favorites today. Link in the description.